Hey there, glad to have you. Today I'm gonna be working on finishing up the framing on the dog cage that we have. And here's our little model pup, not my dog, but close enough. Here in the front, we have the opening. You can see that over my shoulder. Dog goes in, if he wants to hang out, he can. The door over here on the left is so he can go into the dog run that we have. This gives me the idea how to build it, making sure I'm on the same page with Rachel. Now I break it apart to see if I can do it. That's a time-lapse flash of our dog cage adventure. From one perspective, I wish it would have lasted just a little longer. We had a little white-weathered friend that was with us during this project, and although he is gone from our lives, there are footprints of his life still present and ongoing. So for those of you who have felt a similar loss, here's a verse that I hope gives you and I comfort as we meditate on it, closing one chapter while another has already begun.
This is Gen 1 Image Bearers, where creation continues.